Interior design trends are constantly evolving, embracing new styles and ideas that reflect the changing times. However, there are certain design elements that remain timeless, blending seamlessly into any era. One such element is the ceiling medallion, a decorative piece that has been used for centuries to add elegance and grandeur to interior spaces. In recent years, antique ceiling medallions have made a comeback in modern interior design, bringing a touch of old-world charm to contemporary spaces. This video will explore the timeless appeal of antique ceiling medallions and how they complement and enhance today's interior design trends. Ceiling medallions have a long and rich history, with their origins dating back thousands of years. Ancient Greek and Roman civilizations used elaborate ceiling decorations to symbolize wealth and prestige. These early medallions were made from materials such as marble, plaster, and wood, featuring intricate patterns and motifs. As time passed, this ornamental feature became more popular in prestigious European homes, particularly during the Baroque and Rococo periods. The Industrial Revolution brought about technological advancements, enabling mass production of ceiling medallions, making them more accessible to the wider population. In today's rapidly evolving design landscape, antique ceiling medallions stand out as a unique and captivating design element. Their timeless appeal lies in the distinctive blend of vintage charm and architectural splendor they bring to modern spaces. Here are some ways antique ceiling medallions are making a significant impact on contemporary interior design trends. Number 1. Nostalgic elegance. Antique ceiling medallions evoke a sense of nostalgia, transporting us to a bygone era when attention to detail and craftsmanship were paramount. Incorporating these antique pieces into modern design helps create a sense of elegance and refinement. They serve as a reminder of the rich history and architectural grandeur of the past. Number 2. Eclectic fusion. One of the most intriguing aspects of interior design trends today is the emphasis on blending different styles and eras to create unique and personalized spaces. Antique ceiling medallions effortlessly bridge the gap between past and present, adding an eclectic touch to any interior. Whether paired with minimalist or bohemian aesthetics, these medallions bring a sense of depth and character to the overall design. Number 3. Statement pieces. Ceiling medallions are known for their ability to create a focal point in a room, drawing the eye upwards and adding a touch of drama. Antique ceiling medallions excel in this aspect, often featuring intricate details and captivating designs. Whether installed in a grand foyer, dining room, or even a bedroom, these medallions act as statement pieces, demanding attention and admiration. Number 4. Versatility in design. The timeless appeal of antique ceiling medallions can be attributed, in part, to their versatility. While traditionally used to accentuate chandeliers or lighting fixtures, these medallions can be incorporated in a variety of ways in modern design. From framing mirrors and artwork to acting as standalone decorative pieces on walls or ceilings, antique medallions provide endless possibilities for creativity. Number 5. Sustainability and preservation of history. In an era where sustainability is a growing concern, antique ceiling medallions offer a solution that aligns with eco-conscious design. By restoring and repurposing these architectural relics, we not only reduce waste but also preserve the history and craftsmanship they represent. This sustainable approach adds depth and character to interior spaces while honoring the past. As design trends continue to evolve, certain elements stand the test of time, offering a seamless blend of old-world charm and modern aesthetics. Antique ceiling medallions exemplify this timeless appeal, providing an elegant and captivating addition to contemporary interior design. Their historical significance, versatility, and ability to create focal points make them an invaluable asset in creating unique and personalized spaces. By embracing and incorporating antique ceiling medallions into modern design, we pay homage to the craftsmanship and visual splendor of the past while creating interior spaces that are truly timeless. Be sure to like this video, and click to subscribe to see more content.